in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Kimi Code on Windows operating system. So if I go into this command prompt and if I try to this place Python --version, so you can see 3.14.3 that already installed. And if I write there pwsh -v, so PowerShell 7.6 already installed there. And next essential software here, UV should be there. So without UV that I'm going to install there. So first let's open this place PowerShell. And here to get the command to download Kimi Code in Google search box, right there or Kimi, then go on this kimi.com site. The new page that's open there, here you can try with Kimi 2.6 instant, and there I'm going to use their Kimi Code. So this is here for different Mac, Windows, vscode. So Windows that I'm going to try copying this command. Thereafter in the PowerShell you need to paste this command. Press enter. So press enter. For this one net should be connected because this is downloading the UV first. So here you can see UV is not installed there, so that UV installed successfully. Okay, UV that installed there. After that, this is now C Python file is now downloading. So C Python almost done. Or install this, and here to execute our file, let's use the cls command. Thereafter simply you need to write there Kimi. So Kimi Code is now opening, loading the agent. So this you can get there. Welcome to Kimi Code CLI. This here. Let's write their simple hi message. So LM now said login to. So here you need to use this login. So you can do there by using Kimi Code, Moonshot AI, open platform. You can choose this. So first option that's trying there. So this is, you can get this. So you can do the login with phone number or continue with Google. Okay, so when you continue with Google, after login, you can start using the Kimi inside your Windows login. You can start using the Kimi inside your PowerShell or command prompt. So inside system you can start using. So this is the way we can do here installation of Kimi Code inside the Windows. Now if I try this, opening the command prompt, writing there Kimi --version. So you can get the version of the Kimi there. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.